Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today on my channel I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the 2022 Asus ROG Zephyrus GA503R. So the GA503R for 2022 comes in different configuration. Although it still looks the same like the last year model, it still has this color of Eclipse gray. So it's just the internals that change. We now have a new DDR5 RAM and then the PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD and then the new AMD Ryzen 9 processor. So let's before we unbox it, let's quickly go through the specs. So the one I have here has the color, like I said earlier, the active gray, and it comes with a 15.6-inch WQHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate. Although it's not written here on the box, but that is what I bought. And then it comes with a 6GB VRAM of RTX 3060. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS 8-core processor and the 512 of PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and then it has the DDR5 RAM, which 8GB is on board and then 8GB is a user replaceable, so which is a bit of a shame you cannot be upgrading this laptop to a 64GB of RAM because you already have a crappy 8GB soldered on your motherboard. So I think that is enough. We also have Wi-Fi 6 and then we have a USB 3.2A and then USB-C and then Windows 11 Home. So enough of that. So let's go ahead and then unbox it. And then I have my razor tool here. So yep. Now open it. We have the laptop here sealed and packed, so we're going to keep that aside. And then we have other boxes here. So what is inside them is a bunch of paperwork and the warranty, I think, yeah. So and then any other thing here, nothing on that side. And then on this side we have our charging brick and the charging cord. And then on the left side of the box, do we still have other things? No, the left side of the box is empty. So that's it. So in the box you got the warranty paper, you got the charging brick, which is quite portable but not as portable as the one that Dell is including these days on their laptop. So this is a 200-watt AC adapter, and then we have the charging brick and then the laptop itself. Let's unwrap it. Now the color is exactly the same, the Eclipse gray with some shiny stuff there. Yeah, I think my camera can capture it, so you can see depending on the placement of the laptop, you can see the reflection in different colors. So that is that. So let's how do we unwrap this thing? Okay, I think it's going this way. Okay, after you remove this side, then before you remove the center one. Okay, yeah, we got it. So that's it, guys. So look at it, the shining. I think I love it, but it's only those who are at the back that is going to be enjoying it. It's not you, the owner of the laptop. Okay, so the laptop have a elevated design, so you can see that the inches elevate the laptop so well. Sorry, the lid elevate the laptop so well, so that it can get enough air from the bottom. So that is pretty good. And then it has an awesome trackpad. The trackpad is very big enough. I love that. I love that. I love that. I don't know if this laptop has a fingerprint reader. So I don't know. But this giant bezel, Asus did a very good job with their M16. So I don't know why they are not taking their generosity to the other models. This bezel is too big, but the top is manageable, but the down bezel is so damn big. So let's quickly check out the parts. So by the left, you have the charging port, you have the full HDMI port, and you have the Ethernet port, and then you have you have a USB-A port, and then two USB-C port, which also looks like they are also a display port. And then you have a combo 3.5mm audio jack for both headphone and microphone. And at the front you have nothing, and at the side you have another USB-A port, and then you have a micro SD card reader, which is very good for a creator. So guys, that's basically it about the unboxing of the 2022 Asus ROG Zephyrus GA503R. So stay tuned as I'll be doing a review of this laptop in my next video. Bye.